You gotta love a two-stroke. I've been down a rabbit hole lately on YouTube, watching all these damn will it start videos from these huge diesels to all sorts. And I thought, I wonder if that crappy little two-stroke I got to start. So let's find out. So this is just one of those crappy little 50cc two-stroke engines out of a mini moto that I had about 20 years ago. It's just been sat about since. I mounted it on this stand because I did plan on making something cool out of it, and then I realised this is a rubbish engine. So those plans are still there, but I'm going to make something a lot better, get something actually worth using. So first I just bolt it down to the bench, keep it stable. That'll do. It's not exactly going to run away from us, is it? It's got a lot of compression, so I think we'll start with exhaust first. So I've got this little piece here, a manifold left. So I'm just going to get some 25mm pipe, which is probably about right. Put a bend on it, and that should probably do. I think that should be long enough. Oh dear. Yeah, that looks good, doesn't it? How cool does that look? It's absolutely ridiculous. Just going to bolt this little coil on now. It's probably worth giving a spark plug a bit of a clean as well. Just a bit of wire brush, see what it's like. Well, it's not too bad. Just a bit of good old brake cleaner and a wire brush. Let's put the starter motor on. Oh yeah. Now I suppose we need a throttle. So I've got a throttle and a cable, but I'm pretty sure this is a brake cable. So I'm gonna have to bodge some on the end because it needs a little ferrule or something to pull in the carb. So I'm gonna see if I can just bodge some or just tack weld some onto the tip of it. I literally just folded and crimped the end of the cable. It probably won't last very long, but it should get the thing started. It doesn't spring back very well, but it'll do. Just need to hold this somewhere now. So, right there. Just clamp it to the bench. Got a little kill switch, which should work because everything's metal and is all earthed, in theory. You just put this on the handlebar. Right, let's just check we got a spark and stick some fuel in it. Yeah, can you see that? Just need to mount this now somehow. There we go. I think I'm just gonna bodge it. It's gonna look ridiculous, but it'll do. Something like that. Don't know if this is going to work. Got some juice in it. Right, what do we reckon then? How many pulls? Probably all of them. I'm going to have to get on the bench to do it, I think. Let's try that. Didn't know what that was. Oh. Right, now I've got my breath back. Let's try again. You need to somehow give it a bit of throttle. Oh. Right, the spark plug's still dry, so it's not getting any fuel. The float could be stuck in the carb. Let's have a look. Oh no, oh, it's just like pure oil in there. I wonder why. That's bad. All right, let's clean that up a minute. Yeah, I know I should probably strip and clean the carb, but I'm just being lazy, to be honest. Just hoping it would go without it. Maybe. Let's try again. If not, the carb's gonna have to come apart. Oh, I haven't done the spark plug up. I wasn't expecting that to start then. Woo. Right, let's see if I can do it from here now. Oh man, I love a two-stroke. That thing is so cool. That was far too much fun. So I think you'll agree we need to make this a permanent fixture. You could just start it up whenever you want. So maybe have a little bit of a handlebar coming out the side with the throttle on and make a nice little fuel tank just to sit on the top here. That'd be pretty cool, wouldn't it? So I think this probably wants to go back there somewhere. So I've drained the carb already, but I think there's still too much fuel everywhere. So I'm going to take it apart and then chop this off and weld it on about there somewhere. Perfect. We need to make a fuel tank next. Nice stainless one, I think. Got an idea. $45mm. I think that's about right. $100mm long. That sounds about right, I think. Just clearing this out to get this nut to fit inside. Right, that's all cleaned up inside. So we just got to weld some ends on it now. How ridiculous is this? So I put a lock nut in the top, so that way where the seal was, I could put a little O-ring in there, so hopefully it keeps it nice. Just put that engine back on the stand, and then let's see where to mount this little tank. We're starting to get somewhere now. For safety reasons, I put the kill switch right next to the exhaust. So when your hand starts burning, you know it's time to turn it off. Just got to mount the fuel tank now, somewhere like here, enough to get a filter in it. Unfortunately, I ran out of welding gas and it is late on a Friday, so I've got no chance of finishing this. But you sort of get the idea. I just put it on with some elastic bands and a cable tie for now. I'll show you. Here we go. It's pretty cool, isn't it? I think we need one more go. This is ridiculous. Come on. That is so much fun. It's so stupid, but so much fun. This has been the biggest waste of time ever, but definitely the most fun. I think I'm going to have to revisit this, do it proper, stainless pipe, sort this out, lovely little petrol cap, maybe like a little brass one. Yeah, sort the throttle out, new cable, polish it all up. Yeah, that'd be really cool. Thanks to everyone for the support buying our t-shirts and stuff on the website. I do appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can come back and see what other ridiculous things we can come up with.